Hey guys, Kerr, and today we're going to be talking about Marabu's new 20 easy marble colors. Now, I was super excited to get this package because when Easy Marble first came out, I was so on board the train. I love this technique. It's a fast and easy way to add beautiful color to a page, to an object. It's just super fast and easy. So when I heard that they were coming out with 20 new colors, I was thrilled. But when I opened up the package, I noticed some beautiful new colors. They have some warm colors as well as some neon colors. They even have some metallic colors. But they also have something new called color shift colors, something that I was not familiar with. I've never tried or used them before. And I'll be honest, I think I was a little nervous because they were all a white looking paint, I guess. You know, when you flip the bottle over and you look at the paint color, they were all the same. And I'm thinking, are these going to be any good? Am I going to like these? And what happened was after I started playing with them, oh my gosh, I fell in love with these color shift colors. And I'll be honest, they are now my favorite part of this new release, and I am super excited to share them with you. So sit back, relax, and I'm going to go through all the colors with you. I'm going to try them on an assortment of different objects and paper and wood and plastic and leather and fabric, a whole bunch of things, so that you can get an idea of what they would look like on these types of materials. And I'm excited. Let's get started. Now you're going to need some easy marble, a bucket of water, some gloves, any kind of substrate you want to add color to, and a mixing stick. I also like to keep a piece of paper handy so that I can clean off the excess easy marble in between color combinations. Today I'm starting with black and watercolor tags from Joggles. Here I'm starting with some of the new colors. Now if you've never used Easy Marble before, you first have to shake the bottles, add the color to the water, and then mix it if so desired, dip in your substrate, and then pull it out and let it dry. Now I prefer not to mix the color just because I like a more organic look, but the option is totally yours. The only downside to this technique is that you don't want to stop. Now, even though those metallics look really nice on the watercolor paper, they pop on the black. Now it's time to play with the color shift. I'm starting with the glitter, and I ended up slowing down the camera speed just so that you can check out how beautiful these glittery colors are. It actually looks like there's nothing in the water, and then you pick up that black tag and bam, absolutely gorgeous. Next, I tried the metallics, and I think I was even more blown away. They literally change color before your eyes. As you move the tag, they change colors, and they're just so beautiful. I really don't think the camera picks up the actual metallic color, but here you can see it's the same tags laid out the same way. I just gave you a different angle so that you could see that they change colors. Now, the more I played with these Easy Marble new colors, the more I fell in love with them. Of course, after I was done making the tags, I went on a mad rush trying to find things to cover in Easy Marble. Now, I ended up with a big pile of things to cover, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Now, before I got going, I painted some of those items in black gesso. I was so looking forward to seeing them with the color shift. Now I love all of the new Easy Marble colors, but these color shift colors are definitely my favorite. They absolutely sing on a dark surface. For the complete list of materials used in this video, see the description below. Thanks for watching.